25-1. We're on Morningstar Road here, Legacy Lane. It's a silver Nissan Altima, Arkansas, Adam X-Ray Williams 76 Paul AXW76B.
10-4.
Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. 25 more, 1037, 1037. We're headed back northbound toward 335. Stop. Still headed toward 335 from Morningstar Road. Speed's about 100. Drew, you got me? 335. We are going northbound on 335 toward Highway 7.
25, if you can get on top of it, try to go in TBI and you get to 55.
He's trying to flip around northbound, flip around southbound, flip around southbound. TBI, TBI, TBI. Get back here. Oh, no, you don't. No, you don't. Go to my car. Put it in the bag. It's right here. That's good. Let me get all this stuff out first. Hey, grab a bag.
How y'all doing?
Fucking do don't do damn way. Fucking fucking uncle. Just good daddy, but you know something coming.
Tighten these. I'm gonna lock these cuffs up so they don't get no tighter either. Hey, I'm gonna lock these cuffs up. Alright, hush, hold on.
I didn't say you killed your daddy. I said you know who did.
How the fuck I know who killed my daddy, bro?
You were there.
How the fuck I was there, bro?
No, you were there.
What the fuck out my face, bro?
Hey.
I'm killing for killing my daddy, bro. Man, I'm some bullshit, bro.
Hey.
I knew it was straight hoe, bro. I go blame me killing my own daddy, bro. Oh, see, I'm 15 years old, bro. Still on this lame ass shit. Bro, I can't get in, bro.
Slide your butt back.
You gotta slide your butt first.
Bro, can you untie these cuffs, bro?
I just locked them. They're not gonna get any tighter.
I said like, loosen them up.
I'll check them in a second before we go, all right?
We going straight to the station?
Hold on. Can we get there first?
So,
Slide in.
yeah, can I get some water?
I need some too, so when we get there, I get there. Just slide in.
Damn.
Want me to pull you back?
Damn, I ain't planning on going to jail today, bro. Why ain't let me make it?
Why did you run?
See, like
You might would have made it.
What's your warrant for?
Huh?
Good?
Green Bolton. You see it?
He moved for a big guy. He went back out in there.
Yeah, we ran about
150 yards.
It's here. What's in the cup?